you how to turn off the null safety for your Flutter project. Just go to open your project and go to the pubspec.yml, and under the environment here we have SDK and environment for the dot. Just you have to reduce this one, here we have 2.2.0 now. Just change to 2.11. From 2.12 onwards, Flutter dot supporting the null safety. If you downgrade this one to 2.11, your project will become a non-null safety. If you want the null safety, make it a 2.12. That's it. Now you can remove all your code wherever you have written the null safety. Null safety is better. Sometimes it gets so many problems. So if you want to disable, you can just disable that, removing this one, downgrading to 2.12.0 or below. Okay, now we have removed the null safety. So now it is asking us to remove this one. Remove the operators wherever you have written for the null safety. That's it.